If your dryer is making a squeaking or a scraping noise, the front seal is probably worn out and is going to need to be changed. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to start by removing the lint filter, and there are two Phillips head screws right in front of that need to be removed. Make sure you hold on to them for later. Now I'm going to use my knee to apply a little pressure right here in the center of the dryer and pull the top panel forward. And then lift it up. I'm going to disconnect the door switch next. And on either side of that front panel are two 5/16 bolts. And I'm going to remove each one of those. And now you grab the front of the panel and gently lift it up and then out. And you do that to each side, and the panel is now free. And this is the old door seal, and it's in pretty rough shape. The new one just pops on. Sometimes these use glue to be held in place. This particular one does not use any glue. It just is held in place by friction. And I'm just going to smooth it around and make sure that it's fitting nicely. That's looking real good. Now on the inside of the drum there's a plastic seal that just snaps into place, and I'm going to replace that as well. It comes in two parts. So right now I'm snapping half of it into place, and once I have that secured, I'm going to do the other half. And like I said, it's just tabs that go right into the drum and they just snap into place. No tools required. Now that I have that all in line, the next thing we're going to do is replace that front panel. And on either side of the dryer, there are these pieces that are serving as hooks. And this is the inside of the door panel. You can see there's a slot right where that hook is going to hold it in place. So I line the front panel up. I find those hooks and I gently lift the front panel up and onto the hooks. And that's going to hold the front panel in place while I adjust the drum and make sure it's sitting properly on top of that new seal we just installed. Once I have all that lined up and in place, I'm going to replace those two 5/16 bolts on either side of the front panel. And once I have those tightened up, remember to reconnect that door switch. Now the panel just sits in place and snaps in. I'm going to reinstall those two Phillips head screws that were in front of the lint filter. And once those are secured, I'm going to put the lint filter back in. And the only thing left to do is to test the dryer and make sure that it's not making any funky noises, which it's not. So this repair is done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful handyman tips and tricks.